22 CR 8628, State of Texas versus Adam Edward Aguilar. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Orlando Way for the defense.
And are you Mr. Aguilar?
Yes.
Showing you what's entitled motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Adam Edward Aguilar who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2022 CR 8628 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on January 9th, 2023 for a period of 4 years? Is that you? All right, state.
Violated condition number 4 in Baird County, Texas. The defendant, Adam Edward Aguilar, the then and there failed to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of February and March 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
You need to speak up.
True. Your Honor, state waives all the violations.
Any objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will
The state of Texas moves against Adam Edward Aguilar with a motion to revoke deferred adjudication. The judge reads out probation conditions tied to supervision failures and misreports, making it clear each violation carries serious consequences. Aguilar is directly warned that admitting violations could instantly convert probation into a state jail sentence with fines up to $10,000. The courtroom tension rises as he's repeatedly asked if he understands and whether he still pleads true, as the reality of incarceration begins to close in.
Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Adam Edward Aguilar.
All right, why are you not reporting?
Well, to be honest, I had 2 jobs going on, and I started helping my fiance and my girlfriend with the kids. So a lot of stuff got on my road. So I started.
You need to speak up.
I started helping my girlfriend with her kids, and I had 2 jobs going on. I would do landscaping in the morning, and I would do pizzas at night. And then sometimes I had to walk from work, and it would be a 3-hour walk from Eisenhower to St. Philip College. So a lot of stuff was getting overwhelming. So the time I feel like it wasn't really important, but I know it is. My freedom is, but my family is too.
How could you not think this is important?
We hear Aguilar explain that missed reporting came during a period of serious overwhelm rather than intentional defiance. He describes working 2 jobs, landscaping in the morning and pizza delivery at night, often pushing through exhausting shifts and long walks just to survive financially. He also references emotional strain from losing his parents, saying it disrupted his stability. The judge challenges him directly, stressing that probation obligations cannot be treated as optional regardless of personal hardship. The back and forth grows intense as the court weighs responsibility against life circumstances.
Well, at the time, like I said, it was a lot going on. So, and then the loss of my parents. So it's just a lot of things were going on.
When did the loss of your parents occur?
Well, my mom was in 2019, but
So you were placed on probation in 2023?
yeah, but the case I got was in 21.
No, but you were placed on probation in 2023, and you're saying your mom passed in 2019.
I was still dealing with the grief of my parents. It could be months, years, days. Everybody deals with it different, and I was just barely getting over it. Like I was messing up to my life. So now that I'm here, I know stuff changed, and then she passed away in May, so I was still dealing with that too, like through them months. But like I said, I was going to work and doing this, and then trying, and a lot of stuff was just overwhelming for me.
So your mom passed. How old are you?
28.
So you're 28 years old. Your mom passed. So what you do is you pick up a criminal case, and then you get placed on probation, and then you do not report.
Basically. And that was not the right way to go. But when you lose somebody, you don't know what to do sometimes.
Well, I mean, not committing crimes. That's number one.
I mean, I know she wouldn't be proud of that either, but that was just, I guess, my way of rebelling and dealing with it, and not in the right way. So, but now I know my actions, and I know my family need me more out there now than ever.
So what have you done on probation?
What have I done
Yes.
for probation?
Yes.
Nothing.
All right. And this girlfriend you have, does she know that you're on probation?
Yes.
Did you tell her before you were arrested?
Yes.
And how many children does she have?
5.
And what are their ages?
We see the court shift into Aguilar's living situation, including his relationship with Rachel Garza and the presence of multiple children connected to the household. The judge presses for clarity on the unstable setup, where children are split between relatives, raising concerns about supervision. A firm warning follows: no unsupervised contact with minors, including babysitting, or it becomes an immediate probation violation. Probation officers then flag issues with his reported address, ordering weekly reporting, random field visits, and UA hotline checks until compliance is confirmed. The court makes it clear that any inconsistency in residence or supervision could send him straight back into custody.
That if that occurs, that's a violation of your probation and a motion to revoke will be filed. Do you understand? And I'm going to want field visits, one time per month, random. And we're going to do the UA hotline until further notice. Is there anything else from either side?
No, Judge.
No, Your Honor.
Probation, is there anything else that he needs?
Yes, Your Honor, I just want to make the court aware that you attempted to do field visits. However, the address on file that we have, it was not a good address. So we need to get a good address. And I would like to ask the court if we could do the weekly reporting for at least 30 days to.
Yes. We're going to do weekly reporting until further notice. You're going to provide them with an address that you live at. If you provide them with the incorrect address, probation, file a motion to revoke. Do you understand?
Yeah.
You are not to be address hopping because you are what people call on paper, and people need to know where you are.
So,
And honestly, before you get involved in somebody's life with children, you need to get your life together. Your life is not together. So now you're bringing chaos to this Rachel Garza person who already has chaos in her life and can't even take care of her own children. Do you understand?
yeah.
And that's a yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
And from here on out, you need to ask yourself, whenever you make a decision, whether or not that could result in you going to the state jail facility for 2 years. If it is, you need not do it. If it's a maybe, you need not do it. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're off the record. What's that mark on your face?
I don't know. Probably the sheets from Barrett County.
Well, I'm sorry, what?
Probably the sheets from Barrett County. They don't
Probably
wash
the
them.
what from Bear County?
The sheets.
The sheets?
Thank
All
you.
right, you need to get that checked out.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
We see the judge impose strict conditions, including denial of alternative requests and ordering evaluations while in custody. Aguilar is placed under close supervision with weekly reporting, verified address requirements, and ongoing monitoring, with warnings that any violation could trigger a motion to revoke. The judge emphasizes that continued noncompliance could lead to up to 2 years in state jail, making clear every decision now carries serious consequences. The tone turns corrective, instructing him to stabilize his life, avoid risky influences, and treat probation as non-negotiable. The session ends with firm instructions and a final warning that any misstep will bring immediate action. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like and subscribe for more courtroom breakdowns, and we'll see you in the next video.